These animals see a secret world humans completely miss. Number 7. Butterflies use ultraviolet narcs to find nectar fast. Number 6. Bees follow ultraviolet flower targets invisible to us. Number 5. Many birds see ultraviolet signals hidden in feathers. Number 4. Some snakes detect ultraviolet, adding another sensory edge. Number 3. Scorpions react strongly to ultraviolet-rich light. Number 2. Kestrels use ultraviolet clues to track small rodents. Number 1. Reindeer see ultraviolet in snowy Arctic darkness. Which animal's hidden ultraviolet world shocked you the most?